First up, the Woodpecker's Ultra Shear. Jumbo carbide-tipped compression pattern and flush trim bits. These bad boys are a game changer for any router setup. With a beefy 1-2-inch shank and solid carbide construction, they're built to handle big jobs without flinching. The compression design means clean cuts on both sides of your workpiece, perfect for laminates or veneers. They trim flush with laser-like precision, leaving edges so smooth you'll barely need sandpaper. Made in the USA, these bits scream quality and durability. Pair them with your router table and you're ready to tackle anything. Check the link below to see them in action. Trust me, you'll want these in your kit. Now, let's talk accuracy with the Woodpecker's SERX Precision Straight Edge Rule. This isn't your average ruler. It's a machined masterpiece that's dead straight to within thousandths of an inch. Whether you're checking flatness or marking long, perfect lines, this tool's got your back. The satin finish reduces glare, and the laser-etched markings are crisp and easy to read. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it a shop essential for layout work. Plus, it doubles as a guide for your router or saw. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's keep the precision rolling. Next, meet the Woodpecker's Router Plane, a classic tool reimagined with modern flair. This beauty is all about fine-tuning tenons, dados, and inlays with surgical precision. The stainless steel body feels hefty and balanced, while the depth adjustment is silky smooth. It comes with a carbide blade that stays sharp forever. Well, almost. Perfect for leveling surfaces or cleaning up joinery, it's a must for hand tool enthusiasts. The ergonomic grips make it a joy to use, even on long sessions. Pair it with that straight edge we just covered, and your projects will scream craftsmanship. Time to add some flair with the Woodpecker's Ultra Shear 1-4 shank carbide-tipped chamfer bits. These little champs cut perfect 45-degree bevels with ease thanks to their solid carbide tips. The 1-4-inch shank fits trim routers like a glove, making them super versatile for edge work. They leave a finish so clean, you'll impress even the pickiest clients. Built tough in the USA, they're designed to last through countless projects. Use them on furniture edges or picture frames, anywhere you want a pro touch. Let's keep those edges sharp and move on. For flawless joinery, check out the Woodpecker's Ultra Shear Flat Top Dado Blade Set. This stackable set cuts dados so flat and clean, you'll swear they're machined by magic. The carbide teeth chew through hardwoods without chipping, and the anti-kickback design keeps things safe. Adjustable from 1-4 to 13/16 inches, it's perfect for shelving or box joints. The precision ground plates ensure zero wobble, giving you confidence on every pass. Made in the USA, this set's a table saw upgrade you won't regret. Let's stack it up and measure twice next. Speaking of measuring, the Woodpecker's stainless steel T-square is a layout dream come true. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel, it's tough enough for the shop and precise enough for perfectionists. The blade locks at 90 degrees, and the laser-etched markings are spot on every time. It's great for marking sheets or checking squareness on the fly. The ergonomic handle feels great, and it slides smoothly across your work. Pair it with that dado set for spot-on shelf layouts. This T-square is about to become your new best friend. Let's get into tight spots with the Woodpecker's Joiner's Saddle Square. This clever tool wraps around your stock, letting you mark perfect 90-degree lines on both faces at once. Made from anodized aluminum, it's lightweight but built to last. The laser etch scale is dead accurate, saving you time on layout. It's ideal for joinery like mortises or dovetails, anywhere precision matters. Use it with that T-square for double the accuracy. Once you try it, you'll wonder why it took you so long to grab one. Next up, the Woodpecker's Step Gauges. Think of them as your secret weapon for setups. These stainless steel beauties let you measure and set blade heights or fence distances in a snap. Each gauge steps up in precise increments, so you're always spot on without guesswork. They're compact, durable, and perfect for router tables or table saws. Pair them with that saddle square for flawless joinery prep. No more fumbling with rulers. These make setup lightning fast. Let's step it up and add some depth. Ever need just a bit more reach? The Woodpecker's Add an Inch block has you covered. This anodized aluminum block bolts to your calipers, extending their range by exactly 1 inch. It's perfect for measuring deep recesses or wide gaps with pinpoint accuracy. The fit is rock solid, so there's no wobble or error. Use it with those step gauges for tricky setups that demand precision. It's a small tool with a big impact, simple, smart, and oh so handy. Let's keep the measurements flowing. Now meet the Woodpecker's 6-in-1 pocket gauge, a multitasker that fits in your apron. This little gem measures depth, height, angles, and more, all in one sleek package. Made from stainless steel, it's tough enough for daily use and small enough to carry everywhere. The laser-etched markings are crystal clear, and the action is buttery smooth. Pair it with that add-an-inch block for ultimate versatility. It's like a Swiss Army knife for woodworkers. 6 tools, 1 awesome design. Let's pocket that and square things up. For workbench warriors, the Woodpecker's MFT layout and assembly square is a must-have. Designed for multi-function tables, it locks into those 20mm holes for rock-solid 90-degree accuracy. The anodized aluminum build is lightweight yet rigid, perfect for clamping or guiding. It's got reference edges and holes for endless setup options. Use it with that 6-in-1 gauge to dial in your cuts. Whether you're assembling or marking, this square keeps everything true. Let's flatten some slabs next. Big slabs, no problem. The Woodpecker's EZ Drive for slab flattening mills is here to help. This genius add-on turns your router into a powerhouse for leveling live-edge slabs. The smooth gliding rails and adjustable mounts make flattening a breeze. It's built tough to handle heavy-duty milling without bogging down. Pair it with that MFT square for a stable base, and you're golden. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces and hello to pro-grade tabletops. Let's mark those curves next. Time to get creative with the Woodpecker's 3D multi-marking square. This tool lets you mark angles, depths, and parallel lines in one slick motion. The anodized aluminum body is sturdy, and the sliding head locks tight for repeat accuracy. It's perfect for complex layouts or 3D projects like boxes or frames. Use it with that EZ Drive setup to scribe perfect edges. The laser-etched scales are a joy to read, making precision feel effortless. Let's draw some big circles now. For curves and arcs, the Woodpecker's Deluxe Trammel system is unbeatable. This precision trammel mounts to your straight edge, letting you draw circles up to 72 inches wide. The micro-adjustable points nail your radius every time, no guesswork needed. It's built from machined aluminum and stainless steel, rock solid and smooth. Pair it with that 3D square for intricate designs that pop. Perfect for tabletops or arches, it's a showstopper in any shop. Let's clear the dust and keep going. Keep your shop clean with the Woodpecker's Mag Quick Dust Ports. These magnetic ports snap onto your tools or jigs, connecting to your dust collection in seconds. The rare earth magnets hold tight, but pop off when you need them to. No fuss, no tools. They're perfect for routers, sanders, or that trammel setup we just saw. Say goodbye to messy workspaces and hello to cleaner cuts. Durable and versatile, they're a small upgrade with big results. Let's lock those corners next. Building boxes or frames. The Woodpecker's corner jig makes perfect 90-degree joints a cinch. This anodized aluminum jig clamps your pieces in place, guiding your drill or router with dead-on accuracy. It's adjustable for different stock thicknesses, so it's super flexible. Use it with those dust ports to keep chips at bay while you work. The setup is fast, and the results are flawlessly square every time. It's a joinery shortcut you'll wish you had sooner. Let's drill some dowels. For rock-solid joints, the Woodpecker's Universal Cross Dowel Jig is your go-to. This jig drills perfectly aligned holes for cross dowels and bolts, creating connections that won't budge. The hardened steel bushings ensure precision, and the adjustable stops make setup a breeze. Pair it with that corner jig for furniture that lasts generations. It's ideal for bed frames, tables, or cabinets, anywhere strength matters. Built tough in the USA, it's a joinery powerhouse. Let's cut with control next. Turn your jigsaw blades into hand tools with the Woodpecker's Jigsaw Blade Handle. This ergonomic grip clamps onto standard blades, giving you precision control for tight curves or detail work. The anodized aluminum body is comfy and durable, perfect for long sessions. Use it with that dowel jig to clean up tricky spots. It's lightweight, portable, and a total game changer for small cuts. No more awkward angles, just pure, hands-on accuracy. Let's mill some boards now. Flatten boards like a pro with the Woodpecker's Route and Plane Bench Top Board Mill. This router-based system levels stock up to 12 inches wide with shop-made rails. The adjustable sled glides smoothly, and the included templates ensure consistent results. Pair it with that jigsaw handle for edge touch-ups. It's perfect for prepping rough lumber without a huge planer. Compact yet powerful, it's a space saver that delivers big. Let's slide into some angles. Angles made easy. That's the Woodpecker's sliding bevel gauges and bevel block. This set locks in any angle with a silky smooth sliding mechanism and a beefy knob. The stainless steel blade and aluminum block are built to last, with laser-etched markings for clarity. Use it with that bench mill to set custom bevels on your boards. It's great for miters, roofs, or funky furniture designs. Precision meets versatility in one slick package. Let's clamp it down next. Need a straight cut or glue up? The Woodpecker's Clamp and Guide is your answer. This combo tool clamps your work and guides your saw or router in one go. The extruded aluminum body is rigid, and the jaws hold tight without slipping. Pair it with those bevel gauges for angled cuts that stay true. It's perfect for panels, edges, or quick setups on the fly. Lightweight and tough, it's a shop multitasker you'll reach for constantly. Let's lock those corners tight. For picture-perfect frames, the Woodpecker's corner locks are a dream. These clamps pull corners together at a perfect 90 degrees. No twisting or fuss. The machined aluminum design is sturdy, and the quick-release levers make setup fast. Use them with that Clamp and Guide for seamless glue-ups. They're ideal for frames, boxes, or cabinet faces. Anywhere squareness counts. Say goodbye to wonky joints and hello to pro results. Let's finish strong with some flair. The Woodpecker's adjustable setup block. This little genius is about to revolutionize your shop accuracy. It's one tool that adjusts from 1/64 to 1/316 inches, letting you set blade heights or fence positions with pinpoint precision. The sliding ramp and clear, laser-etched scale make it a breeze to dial in exactly what you need. Machined from anodized aluminum, it's lightweight yet tough enough for daily use. Say goodbye to juggling multiple blocks. This one does it all. Perfect for table saws, routers, or anything needing a perfect setup. Use it to prep for your next glue-up because we're clamping down next. Next, let's lock it in with the Woodpecker's clamping calls, the secret to flat pro-grade panels. These phenolic bars deliver 225 pounds of cambered force, keeping your glue-ups perfectly even under pressure. Available in 24, 36, and 48-inch lengths, they multiply your clamp's power for any size job. Glue slides right off the non-stick surface, so cleanup's a snap. Pair them with that adjustable setup block to set your clamps just right for flawless results. They're ideal for tabletops, doors, or boxes, anywhere flatness matters. Once you try these, your glue-ups will never bow again. Finally, the Woodpecker's Spline Jig. Because who doesn't love a strong, stylish joint? This jig guides your router to cut perfect spline slots in mitered corners, adding strength and beauty. The adjustable stops and clamps keep everything aligned, no matter the angle. Pair it with those corner locks for frames that steal the show. It's built from anodized aluminum and steel, so it's ready for years of use. Dress up boxes, frames, or furniture with ease. What a way to wrap up this Woodpecker's lineup. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.